Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of quick video offers. Over to the right of me is Matthew McDonald. He is the creator of Quick Video Offers, as well as many other video-related softwares and plugins. Very successful at it, shoots straight from the hip. You know, nothing real fancy, no long sales pages or anything like that. Tells you what it's about, and there it is. And has had much success that way. I am like if you purchased a product, I am in the basically the dashboard. Just two things here. One is to install and activate the product, and of course this is a plugin. I have seen comments and questions on do you have to have a WordPress site in order to use this. The answer is yes, you do, because this is a WordPress plugin. And once you have it installed, then you have your quick start guide here that runs you through getting everything set up and how to, use different elements and get your quick video offers set up. And it's pretty quick and easy. So there should be no worries about that whatsoever. Let me quit my mail so I don't have those pop-ups. And so, let's go over to my bonus page and we'll talk a little bit more about this. And so to get to my bonus page, either next to or beneath this video on YouTube, you'll see a link that says get my exclusive offers, get my exclusive bonuses and quick video offers here. Click on that link and it will take you to this page right here. Okay, and Quick Video Offers is a powerful video sales system converted into a tool anyone can use to convert their offer videos into sales machines. All right, and so a little bit more about what it's about. Start selling on video in 60 seconds. The perfect video sales page creator is here. Never waste another second with page builders trying to create a video offer. This brand new killer tool that enables you to generate ultra-high converting video sales, websites, pages in just seconds. So generate your sales video pages with just a few clicks, high conversion video layout, inbuilt video and conversion marketing tools, automated design engine makes your offers look amazing, fill out a form to create a video sales page, nothing complex, start selling in just minutes and so much more. This powerful video sales system converted into a tool anyone can use to convert their offer videos into sales machines. Once again, all right. And so I do have a demo video right here on my sales page, which is right here. And so what I like to do is go ahead and play this, and you can get to my sales page, bookmark it, and you can watch this demo at any time. And of course, at any time, you can click any of the red banners on my sales page here, which will take you to your secure checkout so you can pick up your copy today. So let's see, run through this real quickly here. And we'll start playing.
Well, hello there and greetings to you.
Oops, sorry. I accidentally slowed that, trying to turn up the volume.
It's Matthew McDonald here, and thank you for clicking through. You're going to love this new video. I'm going to show you a tool called Quick Video Offers, which lets you generate video offers super quickly and get them out there in front of people so that you can boost your sales, grow your sales, and keep that money coming in. So what I will do in this video, first I will show you straight to the point the quick video offers and how you can set up a perfect professional looking, high converting video sales page in just seconds with about 3 clicks. And then I will also give you a special offer at the end of this video to pick it up. So let's do a show and tell here, and I will show you quick video offers, and I'll just quickly tell you about some of the benefits. So here on my desktop, I am logged into WordPress admin, and I don't have to use any expensive software out there or third-party monthly services to create perfect video pages. I can do all of that right here from inside my own WordPress website. And you're going to see exactly why I don't use pages or posts to create my video offers. All I do is click Add Offer. I give it an offer name. We can give it a product here. It'll generate a slug for us. We put in our checkout URL, pop in the offer video, and we could add chalk, but we've got to add offer. I will show you the chalk in a moment. Let's pick a theme here and click Add Offer. And literally in seconds, we've got our quick video offer ready to go. We've got our URL here, which is our own website for this particular video offer. Let's take a look at a preview page. And we've got our video here. We've got our Buy Now button, and we've got our terms, privacy disclaimer in the footer there. Everything is ready to go. You want to know what it's going to look like in a tablet? You can do that from right here. And you can see it's responsive, that the design will actually change, that it's a highly optimized sales page for mobiles and tablets. So you can see it shifts the page up. If I go on desktop, it shifts it down a little bit. So it's perfectly laid out. And all of that was done automatically for me. Now, if you want to add content, let's say, okay, Matt, I like what I see here, but I like to have a headline. I like these sort of things on my sales pages. Is that going to be a lot of messing around? Well, I'm glad you asked, because it is super easy to add any piece of content you want to your quick video offer sales page. Super easy to do. We just click on the plus, select the title here, and this is my super awesome headline. Select the size here, and you can see instead of using a complex page editor with all different elements and things you have to work through and you don't know exactly what they're going to look like, well, we've got everything here super easy, and we can do it just with a couple of clicks. So it's super clean. I'm working on my headline. I've just got my headline tools here. Do I want to change the Buy Now button? Maybe add a PayPal logo here. Everything is just one click away. So if we take a look at our preview now, you can see we've got our headline there. I would put the headline above the button. So how do we do that? There's no messing around. Just drag and drop and move that headline. And there we go. That is awesome. You want to do some background effects without messing around with CSS. Well, this is how easy it is here. If I just remind you there, we've got this cool background there of a beach. If we go back here, we can actually just click this to generate different background effects. Let's take a look at that. And you can see now the background has been blurred. So you are like a visual editor for your own images. And let's not forget, quick video offers actually went and found this image for us. If we go back here and let's just go ahead and generate another one. So let's go second offer. And I'm going to pick a color here. Let's go with the orange, add offer. Now, if I take a look at this preview, we've got a completely different background picture here. One of the things I absolutely love about this tool is its ability to create a unique video sales experience that's completely isolated from the rest of your website. So you might have a certain design and feel about your website. You don't have to change any of that to generate video offers. In the last couple of moments, we've created 2 video offers and they look perfect. What if you want a thank you page? Well, down the bottom here, you've got a thank you page button. All it is one click and that thank you page is ready to go. So clicking that, it's generated our thank you page. If I click that, we've got it part of our URL with a secret URL extended here. And if we take a look at that, you can see it matches our other web page. So the theme is going to be matching automatically with our main offer. And you could add multiple different pages here and match that automatically with your original theme. Now, the key point here is your time. We want to get this out easily and quickly, and you can do that with the quick video offers. Everything is ridiculously easy and super fast. If you want to do your SEO, you've got everything built in here. You've got your meta title, you've got your sponsored, no follow, no index. Everything is built in here. If you want to add different tracking codes and scripts, we've got the advanced option right here that you can do that as well. Now, you've also got a lot of undercover features that work in the background that don't require any of your involvement. And what I'm going to do is I'll just duplicate the video. There you go, one click. That's how easy it was. I've got two videos here, and I'm just doing this to demonstrate something for you, that all these video sales systems is built into this tool, and it's automated in a way that you never have to think about it. So here's one. You're planning to watch a video. Let me just mute that. Let's say you have more than one video on your sales page. Maybe you have some other content, a demonstration, a testimonial. When they go to play the next video, the first video will pause automatically. See? I play that one, that pauses. I play that one, that pauses. When I click buy now, all videos pause, so you don't have the video keeps playing in the background. This is all included with the quick video offers, and it does it automatically, so you don't even have to think about it. It's like optimized to maximize video sales. Another cool feature in the video here is we do have under here, you can just open this up if you want more features, and we have the preview play, which I really like, and that will play the video automatically on page load, even in mobile, in silent mode. And so it's a very interactive engagement immediately when they land on the page. And when they click the video to start playing, let me just show you what that looks like. So the video is playing there in preview mode. We've got the play button visual, and we've also got a pulsing audio signal there saying that, hey, this is muted. They can click anywhere on the video and it goes back to the start and starts playing. That's important with your sales videos because you don't want them to get half of your pitch. You want them to get the full thing. So right now, for a limited time, this is a brand new killer tool for anybody that's using video to sell online. And if you're using WordPress, then this is an absolute perfect match. Instead of waiting for the official launch of this tool, I'm making it available right now to my list and friends for a special early bird deal. Now, I'm going to put the details on this page below me now. This is a 2022 early bird. If you only pick up one tool from me this year, then this is absolutely the one you want to get. Now, when you go ahead and click on the buy now button, you'll go through the checkout process and you'll come back to another page where I've got another video to get you set up right away. Put out your video offer in just few moments.
So there you go there. And so let's talk about what this is going to cost. So quick video offers, $10.99. That is for one website. Now, if you want it for unlimited websites, you own multiple domains. For just $8.99, you get the unlimited domains license. So that's pretty good. So, still for a little less than $20, you can put this on every single website that you have. There are a couple of upsells. OTO number one is called Quick Video Offers Premium Pro. It includes a few other features that including the upgrade, bump offers. And that's something that's pretty popular these days, where on the front end, when you go to purchase it, there's usually a little box there next or underneath the buy button that said, hey, if you want this, super duper thing here, for just $8.99, go ahead and click the button and it's included on the front end. And it also includes OTOs where you can, add one-time offers, into your sales video. which is very popular and the norm these days. And it also includes what's called the dark theme. And so you get that all included with the Premium Pro. Then there is the OTO number 2, the Quick Video Offers Agency. And of course, that's where you are designing these videos, for other companies. You're offering your services, and that's for $97. Now, one thing that is 100% certain, when it comes to Matthew McDonald is that the prices will go up. Typically, his video plugin offer start at $10.99 and $8.99 for unlimited. That only lasts a couple of weeks. And because I've seen them, I've seen, depending upon the actual offer, this $10.99 goes up to $97. This $46.99 will go up to $197 or something like that. That is for sure. I don't know what they will go up to, at this point, but they will go up. And like I believe he mentioned in the video, if it's something that that you think you're going to use or be able to use in the future, go ahead and get it now while it is pennies on the dollar, because guaranteed, $11 is certainly more appealing, than $100, a month later. And it might make a difference of whether you end up getting something that you really want, or not. So go ahead and pick this up when you can. On my bonus page here, I did put like a countdown, and I hope that this countdown isn't too long, because I don't know exactly when Matthew's going to increase his price. So I gave it an estimated time frame. And so don't go by this. Go by, when you're ready and are able to go ahead and pick up the product, because it probably isn't going to last another 2 weeks from the date of this recording. Okay. And so I do have some bonuses if you pick your quick video offers up through one of my links today. Bonus number 1 is called Fast List Now, on, building your subscriber list. Very important if you're certainly just getting started with affiliate marketing. Bonus number 2, Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is a solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. Bonus number 3 is Total Traffic, another tutorial on obtaining and getting traffic to your offers or to your website. And bonus number 4 is YT Velocity. This is a set forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. How to unlock that. And bonus number 5, any bonuses that Matthew is offering to you for purchasing his product will be offered through my link here also. All right. And let me go ahead and ask you to, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do the thumbs up and find that alert bell, for your future notifications. So that is it. I want to thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses for quick video offers. And as always, to your success.